Okay, so the square root of 27 is probably between 3 squared or 4 squared and 5 squared. But isn't 25 lower than 27? So probably between 5 squared and 6 squared, right? So it's going to be approximately 5 because 6 would take it too high, right? So 25 and 36 are the numbers that I'm looking at. Is it closer to 25 or closer to 36? Kevin? Closer to 25, so it's going to be on the bottom end, right? The bottom half of my scale, right? So what do you think? We're going to try what? What do you want to try? 5.25? I'm using the old calculator. I got 27.56, so that went a little bit high. What do you say we drop it down to 5.2? Oh, super close, but still over. So what do you want to call it? Christian? That's 2704. Let's do 5.19. Pretty close, right? So I'm going to say it's approximately 5.19. Do you see how we dropped down from 5.25 to 5.19 using our decimal increments? That got us there. Okay, so this card helps us figure out where it's going to be in between. And then we have to come up with a decimal. So using the scale, it's 0.5 would be halfway. So it depends on what number it's closer to, if you're going to be on the top end or the bottom end of your decimals. Does that make sense? Do you want to do one more? Pick one. Which one? No. 6. Okay, 124. What? So what number? Between what and what? Between what? 14 and 15? Those are pretty high, right? I'm looking for 124. $11 and $12, right? So we're going to say it's between 11 and 12. What is it going to be closer to, 11 or 12? 11, right? Because that's 121. So I'm going to look at my bottom end. What do you say we try 11.25 again? Yeah? Those are just good numbers to start with. I got 126.56, so that's kind of high, right? Let's go down. What do you say, 11.1? And I'm just estimating. Do I know exactly what the answer is? No, but I'm getting pretty darn close just by guessing. So 11.1 got me 123.21. Do you think I'm going to get any closer? Probably not. So it's going to be approximately 11.1. If you had 11.2, am I going to mark it wrong? If you had 11, am I going to mark it wrong? Not really. You're close enough. But I'd like you to get as close as possible. So I'd like you to have a decimal. Any questions? Questions? Here's your opportunity. Questions. Ask them. You understand what you're doing. You're using your card. You're finding the betweens. And then you're multiplying to make sure that it is not over. It's like the Price is Right, right? You want to get as close to the price without going over. Okay? So if you go over, you might want to try a decimal smaller or 2. Any questions? All right, take about, today's Monday. Take the next 5 minutes or so, and then we're going to watch a video. So I apologize about the condition of the recording today. But it's better than nothing. I'm not feeling great. Hopefully I'll be better tomorrow. If not, you'll have a crappy recording tomorrow too. Sorry.